What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the next video in the credit reports section. So today we are going to be going over what a good credit report looks like, because the last one was what a bad credit report looks like. And now I want to show you guys like what your score should be looking like, what your profile should be looking like, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen. Don't be all in my business, y'all, okay? Don't be in my business too much. No, this is a random person's what's it called? Credit report. So I just want to show you guys what you want your credit profile to be looking like, okay? So let's dive right into it. I hope y'all's day has been good. My day has been very good. I've gotten a lot of work done. I feel like I went to the gym. I ate some good food, and yeah, now I'm here with y'all. So what's up? All right. So what a good credit report should look like. Sorry, y'all. Now my phone wants to blow up. I'm making a video and now the phone wants to blow up. Can y'all leave me alone? All right. Remember, we're gonna look here first, okay? Look at the screen, look at the screen, look at the screen. So we're gonna look here. So we want a good credit profile has at least 8 to 12 open accounts. Now you see it says total accounts. That doesn't matter, because that means that you have those accounts and they're not open anymore. So you want to look at open accounts. So this profile has 14 on TransUnion, 14 on Experian, and 12 on Equifax. That is solid. If you have more than 12 open accounts, even better. But you want to have at least 8 to 12, okay? And then you can see the delinquent accounts, 0, derogatory accounts, 0, collection accounts, 0, all right? And then that doesn't even matter. And then the inquiries are pretty low. TransUnion, inquiries are a little high. I would say it's 7. With the inquiries, you want to keep at least like 2 to, what was that noise? Okay, you want to keep at least like 4 max. 3 is just even better, okay? So let's go ahead and scroll. So this is so this person is an authorized user on a credit card, okay? Real good, we like that, we like that. Another card, credit card. Okay, but you see, look at this credit limit, $24,000. $24,000 credit limit. That's the kind of cards you guys want to have on your credit profile. That's the kind of cards you want to be as an authorized user. Look at this one, credit limit, 30,000, okay? This is just another one, credit card. This is another credit card that they have for $20,000 limit. So this person has pretty high credit card limits, which we love that, okay? This one right here is a credit card as well. That's I want to say they were an authorized user on this credit card, but the credit limit on this credit card is 5,000. Okay, it's not super high, but it was opened in 2008. So it gives them long age history. And that's what you need for your credit profile. You need 8 to 12 open accounts. You need long age history, okay? And you need high credit card limits. And then you need to have a mixture of accounts. So this is all credit cards that we're going over. This is another credit card. This is another credit card. Here's a loan. This is a car loan, okay? So you want to have a mixture of, oh, okay. Sorry, I was just thought about something. So this is a car loan. This is another loan. This right here is, because I know Austin Bank is Credit Strong. I've told you guys about Credit Strong. If you watched another video about it, which you should, this is one way that you can build out your credit profile, add a primary trade line to your profile. This is Credit Strong, and they have a $5,000 loan reporting to their report that they're paying on every single month on time, okay? So this is where the mixture of accounts are coming in. You've seen the credit cards that they have, you've seen the card loan that they have, and now they have like personal loans. So this is the mixture of revolving and installment accounts. Okay. Revolving accounts are like credit cards, and an installment account is like a loan. So mixture there. Here's another mixture. This is another loan. This is another auto loan. This is another loan. So another loan right here, another loan. This is Boom Pay. Boom Pay. You also should be watching a video about Boom Pay. This is the rent reporting website that you can get as a primary trade line to your credit report if you pay rent. Okay. And then this is another credit card, but this one is closed, so that doesn't matter. This one's closed too. Remember, they had a few closed accounts, so that one's closed. This one's closed. But you want to. It's one thing you want to look at is that everything is green. So if you looked at the bad credit report, what a bad credit report looks like, you've seen like yellow, you've seen red, you've seen like different colors right here in the payment section because they had so many late payments or they had collections and stuff like that. This profile is super clean. All you see is green, green, green. Even the ones that are closed, even the closed accounts, green, green. If you have closed accounts still, you still want them to be in good standing and you want to show that you paid them on time every single month. So this is like the perfect profile to go ahead and show you guys. And these are the inquiries. Like I said, TransUnion, they have 7. So that's kind of a little bit, kind of a lot. But some of them are going to fall off. Well, this one's going to fall off really soon because, you know, the inquiries stay on your credit report for 2 years. So this one's going to fall off. And then we'll just have to probably let them know, like, to try to remove a few more off. But that is it, you guys. That is what a beautiful, outstanding credit report should look like. This is what you want your credit report to look like. No late payments, no charge-offs, no collections, no repossessions. You don't owe apartment complex any money. And then you have a mixture of all these accounts, which is, oh, I didn't even tell you guys what their score was. I didn't even tell y'all what their credit score was. Let me make sure I don't scroll too much because I don't want to show y'all their name. Oh, did I scroll too much? Did I scroll too much? Did I scroll too much? No, I didn't. Okay, right there. Right there. Here's their credit score. So 737 on TransUnion, 757 on Experian, and 733 on Equifax. Great credit report. Love it here. So proud of this person. And this is what you guys want to be heading towards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope it was also inspiring, because it was inspiring for me. Okay. I mean, even though my credit is broken. But anyways, let's jump into the next videos. I'm going to see y'all there, or I'm going to see you in B Square. But you better be there, because if you're here in this community, one thing that we do is we put in the work and we gain the knowledge and then we take action. Okay? Bye, you guys. Oh, wait. All right. Bye, y'all. Bye. I didn't even exit. Oh, my God.